Hi guys, in front of me is OUKITEL OT11 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first, open your phone dialer. Then enter keypad and let's provide the first code, which is *#06#. And here you've got device information, so both email and serial number can be located here. Tap on OK then. And another code that you can use on your tablet is *##, 426, #*#. And here you've got the FCM diagnostic mode. You can check here events and status. And whenever you want to explore it a bit more, select more icon and mark advanced view. So here it is. That's it. And the last code that I want to show you today is *##. So the same. Start at the beginning, then 225, #*#. And here we've got the calendar info. So as you can see, all upcoming events from every calendar that you have connected with this device are right in front of you. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.